we saw the illegitimate government, illegitimate regime, take away the security or reduce, downgrade the security of the former head of state, and by extension to even families of heads of state. I want you to find out what is happening to even the former President Kibaki's detail and whatever it was that was provided to him. Find out. We also are aware that they started tinkering with it a while ago. And this is clearly an overreach. There is a limit beyond which people can bear, and we think they are getting very close to that limit. And we do not want that line of behavior continued. Number two, they must stop using the former head of state as part of their diversionary tactics. They came into office illegitimately, and they have clearly failed to manage the affairs of this country. And they are using every opportunity they can imagine to divert the attentions of Kenyans. Hii ushuru wamepadisha kila kona, na imewakalia wa Kenya mpaka hakuna Mkenya ambaye halii leo. Iwe ulikuwa UDA, uko Azimio, uko chama kipi, hakuna Mkenya ambaye hasikii uchungu wa yale ambayo inafanywa na serikali hii. Lakini they don't want to address the issue of the taxes. They want to divert our attention to the former head of state. Kama wameongeza maji, hata wakati tulikuwa tunafanya campaign, hatu kufikiria unaweza fikiria kuongeza maji. Ideally you should be providing water for free. Hapa ni kuongeza maji. Nasikia hata chumvi wameongeza. Hii ni kitu ya maajabu. Unajua ukiiba, afadhali hata ukuwe na idea ya ile ulikuwa unataka kufanya na ukimaliza wizi. Sasa uliiba, hauna hata idea, una serikali, you are making it very difficult for us even to cope up with the difficulties that you are putting us under. But we are saying this, and this is why we belong to the People's Baraza. We are going to be part of it. Because the injustice, the social injustice that Kenyans are being occasioned to is now beyond.